Yeah, last time I was here, I did a relief valve that was leaking. There was a lot of water on the floor, and I changed the relief valve, and I checked this tank was good, so I changed that. So that pot's fixed. I did a nozzle and a filter, and I put this patch on. It's all rotted there, so I got to take that off, and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's all fucking rot. It's all flipping rotted out, see it? Yeah, it's all rotted. No good. It's all flipping rotted. Unbelievable. A little nasty in there. Wow, it needs a good flipping cleaning. Holy shit. Let me take it apart and we'll give it a good cleaning. Yeehaw. A little 1/4-inch set. I got my oil burner kit. Obviously the hole wasn't as big as that, but it definitely was noticeable. I had put that patch on it to get them by till I could order the part. It had to come from the factory, from Peerless. And rotted out. That's pretty bad. He's a good cleaning, man. Wow, it's dirty. It's dirty, man. He's a good cleaning. Real bad. Real bad. We'll give it a good cleaning. Brush it all down and all hard crusty stuff. Take it apart and we'll open it right up and give it a good vacuuming too. You know, I got the power off, obviously. We'll disconnect this, we'll open right up. for the tank, so it should come off. I'll be able to open the door. Why do you wear gloves? What else? Open right up. I'll be able to clean it good now. Brush it down and vacuum it up good. Get in there with a soot saw. Get it pretty clean as you can. Never perfect. You live in a perfect world here. I'll put new K-wool strips right on there. It's just like I got the stuff in my bag. Plus, I think it came with it. A new one came with it. Called K-wool. I usually buy like the 2-inch wide. Now this boiler can either be a rear flue or top flue. This one's a top flue. Firebox is in decent shape. Get a firebox in the back there, target wall, it's in good shape. We're good with that. Put the light in here and I can look down. See what it looks like. You can tell if it's clear just by looking right down at it. You can see a couple of spots where it might need to be rotted again. It's a little tech tip. There we go. Makeup here from outside. Plug in the wiring. Comes a new cable, so we'll put that on there. Just gonna cut it with my fingers, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect. Should put the top on it, sandwich it all in, it'll be good. Like that. They're called cable strips. That's all it is, basically. Well, the way that big gap is there, it's supposed to be a factory piece. Seal combustion, I couldn't use this thing. Look at that. Crazy. So, I told the guy at the supply house and he ordered me another one. They did a better job. They tacked it in 4 spots and they sealed it. You know, that came from the factory like that. That was crazy. I told him there's no way I could use it. So basically he just told me to keep it and I'll throw it on my scrap pile. But this other one in here that I'm going to replace has got some rot on it. Put the new top on there like so. Cable will seal it right down. This is what they call the breech. You're gonna check the draft over the breech. It's right here. Draft over the fire is down below. You hear anybody say check the draft over the breech? That's right here. So Obviously this is a forced draft boiler. There's no chimney here. This directly vents outside. That's why it's a Beckett 2, AF2 burner, which I'm not a big fan of them, but it is what it is. Make sure it's tight, it'll be good. There's a little clamp there. Clamps it right down. The hose clamp. There we go. Right. That's a Beckett AF2 right there. I'd much rather have a Riello than this piece of shit, but this is what's here, so we'll run it. Peerless boiler. Why do you wear gloves? It's 3/4. That's the size you need for that. Okay. Turn the oil back on and we'll fire this baby up. Exhaust right there. I took the plug out of here. Put my, check it with my meter. Alright, safe to turn on down here. That's it. While this is warming up, I'll start the unit back up again and we'll check it. Check the CO and what's going on there. Number 2 oil. That button again, we'll start. looking for the parts per million there. The carbon monoxide is what I'm really concerned about. We don't want that to go too high. See the CO2? Right around 12 is good. Anything above like 12, 12 and a half, you're going to start getting smoke. So this is a 4-strap boiler, obviously. That's looking good right there. We'll let that run for a bit, but I'm thinking that's looking pretty damn good right there. Excess air. Some guys like to look at that. I don't really care about excess air. I care about carbon monoxide. That's good. 7 parts per million. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Hit clipboard. I got my printer and we'll print it out. The print button. That's it. She's ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, appreciate watching.